And welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. Today's story is about a tool that seemed to have a mind of its own, the tool that learned a new path. We were running a 5-axis job with a complex contoured part, titanium, tight tolerances and a surface finish that would make your eyes water. Everything had been simulated, verified and proven. Halfway through the run, we noticed something odd. The cutter started leaving tiny ridges along one surface, not aligned with the program, almost like it was cutting its own path. We stopped the machine and inspected everything. The tool was fine, the holder was fine, the program was fine. Then we noticed the culprit. Backlash in one of the rotary axes had slowly accumulated over several moves, subtly shifting the tool's trajectory. Not enough to trigger an alarm, but enough to let the cutter wander in a predictable pattern that only became visible after a few minutes of cutting. We tightened the axis, recalibrated the machine and restarted the run. The part came out perfect. Lesson learned. Even in a fully programmed CNC job, the machine itself can introduce surprises. Tool, program and machine all work together, and the small mechanical nuances can make a big difference. If you want to see how tooling data and assemblies can be organised and documented to support jobs like this, then check out MachiningCloud. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.